Hi, my name is Jason. I'm the owner of Dynamite Ladder Pro ladder levelers, where we make ladders safer. Dynamite Ladder Pro ladder levelers make some wild claims about how heavy duty our ladder levelers are. That's because of the confidence we have in all the third-party independent testing we've done using ANSI testing in conjunction with metallurgical labs. The second reason for our confidence is because outside of professional laboratories, I like to do my own destructive testing. I'm here today to show you just how much medieval torture our product can take. With the ANSI testing, our levelers had to be installed on ladders and then hundreds of pounds added to the ladders. With this test today, I'm going to isolate the leveler and add a lot more weight than what ANSI requires or a ladder manufacturer allows to show the real performance of our part. We claim our levelers can hold 2,000 pounds per pair. So let's watch one leveler get to 1,000 pounds, and when it does, I'll take the weight off and we'll inspect the leveler to see if the bracket is permanently bent and if it still works. If you're willing to wait, I'm going to do another test after this one, which will blow you away even more. So I'm using a device that I like to call a compression tester. It's here. And I'm going to squeeze this leveler with a 10,000 pound bottle jack, which will read out on a heavy duty 3,000 pound scale. All right, let's get to our medieval torture test. I've already got the leveler set up, ready to go. I even made a mark with a Sharpie so that you can tell that the leg isn't getting pushed through the locking plates at all, which is the whole point of the part, right? And just so you know, this leg is 3/4 inch solid steel, and it can handle way more than what we're even going to do here today. Not only that, but the locking plates can also hold a lot more. So here we go. And let's hold that. And we're obviously up over 1,000 pounds here. And you can see that the leg has not gone through the plates at all. It has remained in place. And the bracket is slightly bent right here. You can clearly see that. But when we let the pressure off, it goes right back to where it should. And let's take it out and inspect it. So as you can see, the mark has not moved. The 90-degree angle of the part has remained, and we can use it. No problem. That is a heavy-duty leveler. You can see that the bracket's not permanently bent. The leveler's still operating. The leveler can handle a lot more than 1,000 pounds, but this test is about what it can handle and still work as expected. We've worked really hard making an extremely safe product that goes beyond what is expected. Rest assured that we are making ladders safer. So we've completed our medieval torture test on our Dynamite Ladder Pro ladder levelers. And now I think we need to just, for fun, test out our locking plates. And I'm just going to do one. There are 6 locking plates per pair. And this is actually the most critical piece on the entire leveler. It may be small, but it's stronger than you can imagine. On this test, we'll still use the compression tester, but in a little bit different of a way so as to isolate the locking plate on its own. We're going to test the upper limits of the part without regard to bending at all. It will still not be pushed through the leg. And let's see what it can do. Okay, so what happened there? Uh, the scale's only rated at 3,000 pounds. So I went up and over and beyond what it can even handle. But I think you get the point here. Um, 3,000 pounds. Can you believe the weight that I just pressed into one plate? It did bend, but it did not fail. Now multiply that times 6. I mean, you're talking 18,000 pounds. That's 6 years of metallurgical manipulation and testing that brought us these amazing results. Rest assured that we're making ladders safer. Now here's our legal disclaimer. Tested load capacity is a controlled bench test demonstration only of the upper limitability of the leveler's performance while not installed on a ladder. These numbers should not be misunderstood as weight that can be added to a ladder. Follow all use and limitation instructions provided with your ladder. A lot of foreign ladder leveler manufacturers. Hi, I'm where we make ladders safer. Make some wild claims about how heavy duty our frickin' levelers are. That's because of the confidence we have. The second, oh, dang. Oh, I can't have that there. No. I've already got the ladder set up. The ladder? I have a public issue, a public warning. I have a public warning to issue. I have a public warning to issue. Where we make ladders frickin' safer.